Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Adil, working as a consultant internal medicine in Bahawal Victoria Hospital, Bahalpur, and working as consultant in internal medicine for last 13 years. Just wanted to share an important message related to hypertension today. So if you want to achieve good goal related to your blood pressure control, you always need to focus on four things prior to initiation of pharmacological therapy. And these four things are: reduce as much salt as possible, do not use added salts in your food or whatever you are taking, exercise 30 minutes every day, brisk walk for at least 5 times a week, use less oily fatty foods, and as an alternate use vegetables and fruits more, and finally try to reduce your weight. If you are overweight or obese, you need to keep it within the defined